Okay, more funds destroying your pension and client portfolio review all in one. So I had a client a prospective client who is looking at Royal London Fidelity Asia. Okay, well, they're 2 crowns and they give these crowns away, honestly, like lollipops. This guy's only got 2 crowns. This is what worries me about performance. Asia, okay, should be good. Well, over 5 years, you've got, what have you got? No, that can't be right. Surely not. Don't be silly, Alpesh. 8.4%? What the hell? Okay, but over 3 years, surely they've done well. I mean, you know, the American market's largest economy in the world was up 55% on the Nasdaq last year and 25% on the S&P. So surely these guys in Asia benefited minus 29%. Okay, over the last year, they must have done well because obviously the American market was lifting everything up and, you know, Europe was flat. UK, as ever, was flat. Oh, right, minus 13.2%. Okay, so this guy, the fund manager, who is he then? He's found a new way to lose money. Who is this chap? Okay, Tira. We should all write into him. Maybe he's new. We should give him a bro. Okay, he's been there for 10 years. 26 years investment experience. Really? You've been destroying pensions for 26 years and they let you out in the wild? Okay. Look, maybe it's because he's not ethnically of that region and so, you know, he doesn't know about the best Chinese companies to... Oh, okay. He has got a quarter of Chinese companies. Okay, well, we know Indian stocks did well last year. So at least he's got a few of those. I mean, I'm sure he's loaded up. Whoa, 3%. Okay, in ICICI, 5% in that one. Okay, he's decided to go into the companies which didn't do so well. What do I say? Oh, well, at least you got the contact details. You could write to them and ask them, hey, you charge fees for this stuff? That's incredible. Well done. What can I say? Another pension fund that's found ways of losing your retirement monies. Well, all I'd say is, if you've invested in them, don't retire anytime soon, will you? You won't be able to afford to. Hey, the good news is, though, Tira will be able to retire soon. I mean, he's been doing this for 26 years. He will have built up one hell of a pension pot. He's not stupid. He won't have put it in his own fund. Won't eat his own cooking. Could get poisoning.